Hey folks, welcome to my new series, This Day in History, where we will deep dive into history and get to know various interesting facts and events which happen on this day. The project MK Ultra is the code name given to the program of experiments on human subjects that were designed and undertaken by US Central Intelligence Agency CIA, some of which were illegal. Experiments on humans were intended to develop procedures and identify drugs such as LSD to be used in interrogations in order to weaken the individuals and force confessions through brainwashing and psychological torture. The project was organized through the Office of Scientific Intelligence of CIA and coordinated with United States Army Biological Warfare Laboratories. Other code names for drug-related experiments were Project Bluebird and Project Artichoke. The operation was officially sanctioned in 1953, reduced in scope in 1964, and further curtailed in 1967. It was officially halted in 1973. The program also engaged in illegal activities, including the use of US and Canadian citizens as its unwilling test subject, which led to controversies regarding its legitimacy. MK Ultra used numerous methods to manipulate its subjects' mental states and brain functions. Techniques included the covert administration of high doses of psychoactive drugs, especially LSD and other chemicals, electroshocks, hypnosis, sensory deprivation, isolation, and verbal and sexual abuse, in addition to other forms of torture. The scope of Project MK Ultra was broad, with activities carried out under the guise of research at more than 80 institutions, including colleges and universities, hospitals, prisons, and pharmaceutical companies. The CIA operated using front organization, although sometimes top officials at this institution were aware of CIA's involvement. Project Ultra was first brought into public attention in 1975 by the Church Committee of the United States Congress and Gerald Ford's United States President's Commission on the CIA Activities within the United States, also known as Rockefeller Commission. The investigative efforts were hampered by CIA Director Richard Helms' order that all MK Ultra files to be destroyed in 1973. The Church Committee and Rockefeller Commission investigation relied on the sworn testimony of direct participants on the relatively small number of documents that survived Helms' destruction order. In 1977, a Freedom of Information Act request uncovered a cache of 20,000 documents relating to Project MK Ultra, which led to Senate hearing later that year. Some surviving information regarding MK Ultra was declassified in July 2001. In December 2018, declassified documents included a letter to an unidentified doctor discussing work on 6 dogs made to run, turn, and stop via remote control and brain implants. That's it, friends. That's all we have for today. We'll catch up tomorrow morning again at the same time, at the same place. Till then, please do take care of yourself and be safe.